Must get rid of these hiccups.
I'll take them, Squidward.
SpongeBob.
Bring it in.
It's not working.
You have to hug me back.
Oh.
You have to mean it. There you go. Come to me, little hiccup.
Thank you, SpongeBob.
I need no thanks.